to do a little barefoot video, but I don't have anyone else to film it, so this is what I'm going to walk through. It's kind of muddy. It's like 50 degrees today. There's the horse barn. There's the gate. You gotta get used to that stuff if you're going to be barefoot on a farm. Let's see. Try to one-handed open the gate. I'm gonna let the sheep through here. And here they come. I think that they hurt more when they step on your feet than the horses do. Hey guys, there's George. Hey Leroy. Little long ears. Okay, so we've let them out into the horse pen. Fired the tractor up. Do gotta do some ditch digging here. One of the dogs. I don't know where the horses went. They were up here earlier, but they're out back grazing. The sheep will find them. Let's see. This is Precious. My favorite tractor. I even had earrings to match. So, Precious is easy to drive barefoot. Your brakes, forward, reverse. And it gets pretty boring after this. Off the ditch dig.